Hello everyone, my name is Hatim Saifuddin Jadwala. Today we are going to solve a numerical on topic of plasticity characteristics of soil in geotechnical engineering. This numerical was asked in May 2017 for 10 marks. Okay, let's start the numerical. In a liquid limit test, specimen of a certain sample of clay at water contents of 31.93, 27.62, 25.51 and 23.3% required at 5, 16, 32 and 42 blows respectively to close the standard groove. Full stop. The plastic limit of clay is 13%. The natural water content is 18%. Determine the liquid limit, plasticity index, liquidity index, consistency index, flow index and toughness index. Okay, let's start the numerical. For finding the liquid limit, we have to plot the graph on semi-log graph. Okay. In x-axis, we have to write number of blows. In y-axis, we have to write water content. Okay, we have to plot these readings on this graph. Okay, for 5 blows, it is 31.93. Okay, we have to count these 5 blows. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for 5 it is 31.93. Okay, we have to mark this value. Okay, next is 16 blows. Okay, 16 blows, the value will be 27.62. Okay, for 16 blows we have to plot the second value. Okay, similarly for all the values we have to plot the graph. Okay, from this graph we have to find out what will be liquid limit. Okay, we have to find out liquid limit will be for n25 blows. We have to find out what will the water content. Okay, for 25 number of blows we have to find out what is the water content. Okay, from graph we will get as 25.4. This water content is also known as liquid limit. Okay, therefore from the graph n equals to 25 blows, the liquid limit equals to, therefore liquid limit equals to 25.4%. Okay, next we have to find out plasticity index. Okay, the plasticity index equals to IP equals to WL minus WP. Okay, liquid limit minus plastic limit. The liquid limit is 25.4 and the plastic limit it is given already in the question, which is 13%. Okay, minus 13, the answer will be 12.4%. Okay, next we have to find out liquidity index. Okay, the formula for liquidity index is IL equals to normal water content minus for liquidity index equals to normal water content minus plastic limit divided by liquid limit minus plastic limit. Liquid limit minus plastic means it is a plasticity index. Okay, the normal water content equals to 18%. It is given in the question. Okay, 18 minus plastic limit. The plastic limit is 13 divided by liquid limit minus plastic limit, which is 25.4 minus 13. Liquidity index equals to 0.403. Okay, now we have to find out consistency index. The formula is IC equals to WL minus WN divided by WL minus WP. Liquid limit is 25.4 minus normal water content 13 divided by 25 minus 4 minus 13. The answer will be 0.596. Okay, next we have to find out flow index. Flow index equals to IF equals to W1 minus W2 log of N2 divided by N1. Okay, for N1, okay, we will consider N1 equals to 10. Okay, we will consider N1 for 10. Okay, for 10 value we have to find out what will be the water content. Okay, from graph we will get N1 equals to 29. Okay, for N2 we will consider as 100. From graph we will get N2 equals to 20. Okay, W2 will be, from graph we will get the value which is 20, water content 20. Okay, just we have to substitute all the values. 29 minus 20 log of 100 divided by 10. Okay, the answer will be 9. Last we have to find out toughness index. Okay, the toughness index formula is IT equals to IP divided by IF. Okay, plasticity index divided by flow index. The plasticity index equals to 12.4 divided by IF. Okay, IF is 9. Okay, toughness index will be, answer will be 1.378. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching.